Hey Chalice family, it's Mr. B here. I'm going to be reading a story to you called Python with a Stimson Python, and his name is Tyler. Try and follow along when you read at home. It's morning in the bush. Python stares and peeps out from her sheltered nocturnal resting place. She warms her head and smells the air with her forked tongue. Now it's time to warm her whole body. She slithers into the open to bask. A sunny rock is the perfect place. Her scales are dull, her eye scales are cloudy. Her body can grow no more inside her old scaly covering. It's time to slough. She rubs her head against a rock and the old sack of scales peels back, just like a sock. Underneath is a bigger, shiny snake. Now her smooth scales glisten in the sun. With her body now warm, she glides to the dappled light in the trees. Slowly rippling, she moves along the branches. A bird drops onto a branch. He pecks at the bark, unaware he's being watched. Very, very closely. Python smells the air and lies in ambush and waits. Bird takes another step closer, focused on crawling insects. Python waits no longer. She misses. The sky grows darker. Python drops to the scrub and finds a covered spot. Passing bush creatures will not see her here. She checks the air. The animals of the night are on the move. Possum scurries past her nest into the trees. Bat flaps close to the ground, chasing low-flying moths. Rats scamper among the grasses. Python smells the air, lies in ambush and waits. Rat stops. He scratches the ground and moves a little closer, looking for seeds to eat. Python waits no longer. Dinner! With a vice-like grip, she holds her prey tightly, and then quickly, carefully, she coils her body around her evening feast. When Rat can no longer breathe, dinner is ready. Python loosens her coils and starts to eat. Head first, then the body, until finally the tail of the rat disappears. Heavy Python moves slowly to a shelter to rest and digest her big meal. It will take days. Meanwhile, she waits. One day, Python stays in her nest. She is not alone. She is coiled around her eggs. Her body shivers, not from cold, but to help keep her eggs warm. She leaves her clutch to warm her body in the sun. Not for long. She doesn't want her eggs to get cool or to be eaten by a hungry predator. Quickly, she's back to her nest. And that's where she stays for many days and many nights until an egg is about to hatch. A small slit appears and out pops a head. Soon, many heads are poking out from their shells. The hatchlings smell the air, watch and wait. Once again, Python leaves her clutch to bask in the sun, but this time she doesn't return. Finally, after many days, the hatchlings leave their shells. Now, they are ready to start their own lives of smelling, resting, and watching, and waiting. The end. Thank you, Tyler, the Stimson Python, for joining Mr. B and the Chalice family in reading a book all about you. I hope you enjoyed reading with us today, Tyler. Say hi to everyone at home. Alright, see you later, Chalice family. Bye.